Well, what is happening, folks? Andy McCabe here. Hey, I want to let you know we are going to do another Xactimate crash course. We're going to call it the Restoration Estimating Crash Course because we can't use Xactimate in written, without their permission, whatever. We're going to teach you the essentials of how to generate estimates using the Xactimate estimating platform. We've made a bunch of changes. We've done this course a couple, 3 times based on previous feedback. We've made some great changes and hopefully y'all like it. If you've taken the course before, you're more than welcome to join us free of charge. We will not charge you to take this course again. And then there's a past course videos we're going to put up here eventually, but this is just to give you a heads up that we're going to do it again based on feedback. It was really people saw a lot of value out of it, so we're going to do it again and hopefully double, quadruple, 10x whatever the value for the folks that get in there. So click on the link. Let me know what we can do to answer any questions for you. Otherwise, we'll see you in there. Bye.